शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अन्तर्यश्च बहिर्विधूततिमिरं ज्योतिर्मयं शाश्वतं स्थानं प्राप्य विराजते विनमतामज्ञानमन्मूलयन्। पश्यन् विश्वमपीदमुल्लसति यो विश्वस्य पारे परः तस्मै श्रीरमणाय लोकगुरवे शोकस्य हन्त्रे नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। श्लोक 5। सत्यं मृषं वा चिदिदं जडं वा दुःखं सुखं वेत्ति मुधा विवादः अदृष्टलोकानिरहं प्रतीतिः निष्ठा विकल्पा परमा किलेष्ठा। So Ramana Maharshi continues to praise not ahankara but ahankara vichara. He will not praise ahankara but he will praise the ahankara vichara. And he says ahankara vichara is the best way for knowing the truth. This we are seeing in each and every verse. Why? Because we have already told, because of the proximity and because of a strong attachment to my own existence. The existence is based on ahankara, strong attachment. That is the only way. And for ahankara, the world is always satyam. In Vedanta, when we talk about mithyatva nischaya jnanam, most of them are not able to accept the Jagat as mithya because they start inquiring or they want to understand the mithyatvam through the lens of ahankara. How is it possible? When Vedanta says Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, mithyatva nischaya jnana comes from which angle? From Brahman angle. That is my source. But all of us will see the Jagat Mithyatvam, understand Jagat as Mithya through the lens of Ahankara. For me, Ahankara is Satyam. Naturally, the Jagat will also be Satyam. Think. Only from the highest standpoint of my own nature, that is Brahman, from seeing from that angle, Ahankara is Mithya. And ahankara is strong when ahankara is related to mamakara also. Think. For a upasaka, Jagat is Satyam because he has a strong identification towards his or her Ishtadevata. Because he is also having a costume or a lens of Bhakta Ahankara. So his sadhana is all dependent on Ahankara only. What are the prayers we do? Any number of prayers is also based on the Ahankara or Ahankara related Mamakara. Prayers for son, prayers for daughter, prayers for family. Because I consider Jagat is a Satyam. So my prayers are also towards them. So he says, see, Jagat Mithyatvam will be very vague for a person who has the Jiva Bhava or Ahankara Bhava. He cannot understand. However much he tries, it will become very difficult. You will say, yes, I understand the teaching, but I am now not able to implement. Why we are not able to implement? The toughest Advaitic teachings we are able to understand, because the ahankara is always popping up. We want people to judge us. Means what? Giving reality to the world already. Judge the way I want. Judge the way I want. Think. See the second line. Just an additional note. Anvaya is easy to make here. I am using the words as per Anvaya. So you can just make note down. So it will be easy. So I will show here how. Second line, last word. Vivadaha. So that becomes the Anvaya. Vivadaha. Vivadaha means what? Inquiry into the Jagat. Vivadaha is not the fight usually you have in the house, not that fight. Vivadaha means inquiry into the Jagat. Jagat, has he told? Yes. When we come to the other lines, we will get to know. How to inquire into the Jagat? First line. Satyam va mursham va. Inquiring into the Jagat by knowing whether the world is Satyam or Mrusha means the world is unreal. This is how we inquire. Chidam va athava jadam va. Whether the world is Chetanam, sentiency, or the world is Achetanam, insciency. Insentiency. Sukham va, dukkham va. Whether the world is made up of Sukham or the world is made up of Dukkham. These kind of vivadas, that is inquiry, he says, Vyartaha. Where is Vyartaha? Mudha. Mudha means Vyartaha. It is futile. It is not Muda. That is Mudakarata Modakam. It is Mudha, Mahaprana. Very careful. Such inquiry will lead to Mudana. No, it won't. It will lead to Mudha. Mudha means futile. Vyartaha ityartaha. Nice. Vyartaha ityartaha. Because in all these vicharas, he has taken Jagat vichara here. Here, the ahankara is not knocked off. Ahankara continues by doing an inquiry. You can add Ishvara also here. Look at the Discovery Channel, National Geographic Channel. Jagat inquiry, oceanology, different types of inquiry. Fine, highly paid, different things we get to know. But what are they doing? They don't have the Mithyatva Nischaya Jnanam. Why Discovery Channel? The Veda Purva Bhagas, the people who are strong Vedikas, for them Jagat is Satyam. Every day they have to perform Yaga, Agnihotra. They have to think whether this Jagat is Satyam or not, Sukham or Dukkham. Think. Such discussions is futile, Mudha, Vyartaha, of no use, because you are not tackling the Ahankara in such discussions. Which God is Shreshtham? My God or your God? Whether that God, if that God is there, whether he or she, or in between. In between means what? Ardhanarishwara. Correct half na. This side, that side, we don't know what it is. Which God? Fight. So from the Devata angle, the discussion is futile. From the Jagat angle also, it is futile, because everything is based on Ahankara that we are not tackling. I am getting reminded of Kagga. when I said Devata. Which god is Shrestha? DVG says, Shyama Sundara Navane Chakri Narahariante Somarudra Navane Shankara Bhairavanante Haimavati Shive Kale Chendikayante. Last line is very important. Prema Ghora Golonde Mankutimma Shyama Sundara Navane Chakri Narahariante. Vishnu. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಮ ಶಂಕರನವನೇ ರುದ್ರ ಭೈರವನಂತೆ ಶಿವ. ಹೈಮಾವತಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಆಡ್ பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ಹೈಮಾವತಿ ಶಿವೆ ತಾನೆ ಕಾಳಿ ಚಂಡಿಕೆಯಂತೆ. ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಪ್ರೇಮ ಘೋರಗಳೊಂದೆ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. ವಿಚ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠಂ? There is a group called Lalita, there is a group called Durga. Somebody will say Ganapatiya. It is vyartham, futile, because you are not tackling the ahankara. On the other hand, if you tackle the ahankara, knock off the ahankara, these Jagat and Ishvara will not bother you. Because Jagat and Ishvara is based on the first person ahankara. These are second and third. Satyam Rusham va Chididam Jadam va Dukkham Sukham Vetti Muda Vivada Vyartha Ityartha. Why are we spending so much time in such discussions? Is what Ramana Maharshi says. Third line. Sorry, fourth line. Parama Nishtha. Where is Parama? Fourth line, last word. Nishtha is first. So bring together. Parama Nishtha. The ultimate state or the highest culmination of such vichara. What vichara? Ahankara vichara. Or the ultimate state of that ahankara inquiry is what? Akhileshtha. Means such inquiry will be desirable for all the spiritual seekers. Akhileshtha means it will be desirable for all the spiritual seekers. That Paramanishta, that ultimate culmination of inquiring into the ahankara will be Akhileshtha, means will be desirable for all spiritual seekers, because it is a state of wisdom. What is that? Avikalpa. Avikalpa is there, fourth line. Avikalpa, avarga is there. Kalpaha means division. Avikalpa means no division. That state of inquiry, which is ahankara vichara, which will be beneficial for all spiritual seekers, which lead to a wisdom of no division. Beautiful. Which lead to a division of no, sorry, which lead to a state of no division. Vikalpaha means division, avikalpaha means no division. Remember yesterday's class. Division means plurality. After Jnana Nishtha, I continue to see the wave. Yesterday, I continue to see the wave. These two eyes will see plurality, but the third eye will see water. These cross eyes will see plurality, wave, foam, ripple, etc. But the third eye, I don't want to show here because something else will happen then if I show. The third eye of wisdom will talk about Jnana Nishtha. I see only the fact that is water. Vikalpaha nasti. Wherever Jnana Nishtha is there, Vikalpa is not there. Avikalpa. Avikalpa means Jnana Nishtha. Well abided in that knowledge. Next. In that knowledge, where I abide about, where I have the abidance of my own nature, what happens? Adrishtalokaha and niraham pratitihi doesn't exist. Third line. Adrishtalokaha and niraham pratitihi doesn't exist. Means what? Adrishtalokaha is equal to object. Niraham pratitihi is equal to subject ahankara. While doing jiva vicharaha, this ahankara gets knocked off. The object Jagat and Ishvara also gets knocked off. Adrushtaha means seen, which is perceptible. Adrushtaha means not seen as an object. This jnana nishtha will help me to not see this Jagat and Ishvara as an object, as an object. Adrushtaha, na drushta ityartha, not seen. And niraham pratitihi means darshan, seeing myself as ahankara. We always ask now, I want, you are not taking me into consideration. I also exist. As if this person is Sarvagnya, we have to take his or her consideration. Nanu idini solpa. I also contribute to your life. Futile, vyartha itirtha, simple. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ತಿಂಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಂಜೆ ಕಲಶಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಷೋಡಶೋಪಚಾರ ಪೂಜೆನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗು ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಥಿಂಕ್. Niraham pratitihi. See the word niraham pratiti. Pratitihi means the transaction of ahankara. For a person who does jiva vicharaha, this transaction of ahankara, this relation of ahankara doesn't exist. Ramana Maharshi is a grahastha or a sannyasi. How nicely he is speaking about grahastha. One word enough for him. Niraham pratitihi. That subject ahankara, that object adrushtaha is falsified when we do ahankara vicharaha. Know the source of ahankara, everything falls down. Such knowledge is called Paramanistha, which is desirable to all, Akileshtha. Beautiful. We have to see such Mahatma's photo, be it Ramana Maharshi or be it Bhagavan Nityananda. What is that they are carrying in their life? One Kovanam or one Kaupinam. Aren't they happy? Aren't they happy? I am not telling that we should also be like that. Not possible. At least at the mental level. Kaupinavantha kalu bhagyavantaha. You remind me of this Kaupinam after the class. Online la venda, approva solren. Offline. So this knowledge of ahankara, knowledge means what? This sat knowledge, which how does this sat knowledge comes to me? By ahankara vichara, is paramanistha and akileshtha, which is desirable. If you do inquiry, please do ahankara vichara inquiry, not Jagat inquiry, cosmology, not Ishvara inquiry. It is perpetuating the samsara. Next, that is why I told 2 shlokas today, because the 5th is very small. Sarupa buddhir jagatishvare cha Sarupa dhira atmani yavadasti. In the 3rd line, Arupa Katma is there. Better make it Arupa Atma Yadika Prapashyet. Sadrishtireka Navadhirhi Purna. Best verse in Saddarshanam. Yesterday also I told Arabhyate. I'll be telling this, many will come, but this is the best. Arabhyate is standard across the Vedantic literature, but in Saddarshanam, Best one. How many bests are there? If you say this is one best. Okay. Ramana Maharshi further gives reasons to establish why Jiva Vichara is important. That is Ahankara Vichara. Either way, is important. Here we have to understand this Ahankara Vichara will cover our perception. And this coloring happens how I perceive about myself first. According to my perception will be the Jagat perception and will be the Ishvara perception. I have colored my own Ahankara by various reasons. And through that Ahankara, I see the Jagat, I see the Ishvara. Coloring Ahankara. Coloring means what? I have a lot of thinking pattern in me, which makes me to say that this is right, this is wrong. The way I look at the world, the way I look at the God Ishvara depends upon how I look about myself. Very important line. The way I see Jagat and Ishvara depends upon how I look about myself. The only way my perception about myself should change is through self-perception. If the Ahankara perception has to change, it has to replace the self there. When I say self-perception, be careful, not this local psychiatrist or counseling. They also talk about self-counseling. That is of no use. They are counselors only when in the counseling clinic. After going home, somebody has to counsel them. So that will not work. Because that is also a profession. 2 hours they'll be independent of all body mind complex until that problem, because they get some time na. If I tell the problem to them, they get some relaxation because they are away from their mind body mind complex thought, so they can hear you aram say, oh இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஆகுமா உங்களுக்கு, நான் தான் better, they will think. And once you go home and then say again problem starts. Think. This is the problem of, this is the samsara for all psychiatrists. So self perception here means not that counseling. Self here means sat vicharaha. So ahankara vicharaha should replace sat vicharaha. That is the self I am meaning here. So my mind is colored, means my mind as ahankara about my own self, that is ahankara, has cluttered. With that clutteringness, with that coloring, I see the Jagat and Ishvara. So that Jagat and Ishvara will be how according to my mindset. For example, let's take, there are many foreign girls, and in Tiruvannamalai foreign boys are there. Everybody will wear what? The Indian dress, sari with respect to girls, and with dhoti or kurta with respect to boys. What will I say? See how that lady is wearing sari, or how he is wearing Indian dhoti. What is the perception? I am not able to wear according to them. How could they wear 9-yard sari? For me, the 6 ಗಜನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೇ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅವರು ಅಂತ. ಕಚ್ಚೆ ಪಂಚ ನನಗೆ ಉಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅದ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು? Means what? I have certain tendencies in the mind. I am coloring the way how I see in the world. Are you getting? The perception what I have, that is how I see in the world. If I have to dress the Lord, my Ishta Devata, what will I say? The Murti is this much. For that Murti, you will put 9-yard sari. Think. ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಮುಖಾನೇ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಟು ಜಗತ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಟು ದ ಮೂರ್ತಿ with whatever all flowers, saree, adudella, what will we say? The form of the deity has changed. See how the deity is laughing. That laughingness is from your mind, not the deity. Form change agoytu nodidra ಮೂರ್ತಿದು, ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನ್ ಲಕ್ಷಣ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. This is coloring is done here. The mind has got a jaundice. So everything, whatever I see, only yellow color there. World is jaundice, Ishvara is also jaundice, because my mind is like that. Think. And we cannot come out of this because the vasana is so much that we want to perpetuate this every second in our life. Every second. 5 minutes of introspection we are not able to do. If a kind of fear. So here Ramana Maharshi is telling, a lot of things are coming. If I am Saguna, world is also Saguna for me. Bhagavan is also Saguna for me. I cannot accept a Nirguna Bhagavan at all because I am Saguna. How I dress myself, I want Bhagavan also to dress. I want the people also to dress. If I am a bodybuilder, if I go to gym, my ahankara is associated with one of the panchakoshas, and that is how I see the world. If I am a bodybuilder, this ahankara is associated with annamaya sharira. So whomever I see on the outside, be a yoga therapist or be a gym person, somebody, if somebody says, okay, or if I say I have a leg problem, knee is problem, why you should not get knee problem now, you're still young, you are not doing yoga, start doing yoga. Are knee problem bandide hogutte, you have to do yoga or go for gym, because that person is associated with annamaya sharira and ahankara. Coloring is happening here. If I am an emotional person, ahankara plus manomaya kosha, I see everybody only with ragadvesha. Means sarilla aur hage iವ್ರು hige. If I am associated with buddhi, intellectual personality, intellectual kosha, then I will see only scholarship everywhere. Think. Mind panchakoshas association with ahankara. With respect to dress, what happened? It is not panchakosha, it is the sixth kosha. Dress is somewhere else, sixth kosha. I am affected. Think. Purposely Varmahalakshmiಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So this is the problem for all of us. This is the problem. Do not color your mind. It might be sattvic, it might be rajasic, it might be tamasic. All are a bandhana. If you cannot come out of this, moksha, if you want, you have to come out of this. If you say chalta hai, next janma pakta, okay. Better luck next time, provided if you get human birth. Who knows? So only when I start knowing about my higher nature as the self sat, when I dominate this ahankara with the higher self. Ahankara is smaller I. Let's take like this. Ahankara is smaller I. The self, the consciousness is higher I. When I dominate, this smaller I will go. So any role I play in life, after making this domination as self, the capital I, every experience in the life will become only an incident. Let us take any roles, no problem. But only thing is, you should start working from the standpoint of the self. Then every experience becomes only an incident. Incident, we need not give value. There are many incidents which have happened when we were small, school time. When we experiencing this, or when we share those memories, we say that incident happened, now I am out of it, isn't it? Similarly, every experience until now, or whatever will happen in the future, should be treated as an incident in life, should not be given any value. Whether it is a divine incident or a local incident, incident is incident, that's all. So Ramana Maharshi is telling, without realizing this nature, what nature? Your nature, God realization is of no use. Realize your nature first, then come to God realization. ಕಳಶ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಷೋಡಶೋಪಚಾರ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. But invest that time for your self knowledge also, self enquiry also. After inquiring into yourself, knowing what you are, who you are, all these are incidents. What happened between 6 to 7 in Goduli time is an incident. Goduli ಲಗ್ನದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, it is one incident. Hope you all did Lakshmi Ashtotram or Lakshmi Sahasranamam. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಗೌರಿ ವ್ರತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಚಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕಲ್ಪೋಕ್ತ ವಿಧಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅದದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಂತ ಪಾಪನ ಅಂತಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕಲ್ಪೋಕ್ತ ಪೂಜೆ, ದುರ್ಗಗೆ ದುರ್ಗೆ, ಪಾರ್ವತಿಗೆ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ, ಲಲಿತಾಗ್ ಲಲಿತಾ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೆದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ಲಲಿತಾ, ನಾ ನಿಮ್ನ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ ಯಾರದು ಅಂತ. ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಟ್. ಹಾ. So without realizing this higher nature, God realization will not work, because God, remember, is a part of division. Don't forget that God is a part of division. He creates a samsara in you. So self-realization is important than God realization. And that self-realization can happen only through ahankara vichara. Now come to the shloka. Second line. Anvayariti explanation. Atmani, where is Atmani? In between the word, second line. Atmani yavat sarupadhi asti. This is how we will change. Atmani yavat sarupadhi asti. As long as I look upon myself as individual being, I consider to be myself as sagunaha. Sarupa means sagunaha. See, a nice word. He did not use swarupa. He said sarupa. That is enough for become with form. Swa venda, sa is enough, he feels. Because remember, when many people come to Vedanta, they feel that after studying Vedanta, I should become a happier father, I should become a happier mother, or happier husband, wife, etc. The roles what they take before coming to Vedanta was miserable. After coming to Vedanta, gaining Atma Jnanam, they say, I want to become a happier father. That is not possible. The teacher has to give fake promises. Because if I say that is not possible, tomorrow you will not come. One of you will be here, I should be just talking. Or maybe Kunwar will be there, because I and him only doesn't have any work. Everybody has work. He is there to on, I am there to start. Isn't it? So the teacher will give fake promises saying that, okay, you can become a happier husband, mother, wife, etc. In Ahankara Vichara, the fatherhood has to be removed. Motherhood has to be removed. Wifehood has to be removed, etc. Any role, whichever role that might be. We have to destroy that fatherhoodness. Then only moksha as Ananda Swarupa is possible. Keeping this hood, I want to become happier, not possible. This is the truth. But nobody, none of the teachers also will talk like this. They want shishyas always. Because Guru hood is there. He or she should also have shishyas. Not possible. Ahankara, Vichara will remove all hoods. Think. I can never become a happier husband or happier mother or whatever role I have in Ahankara Vichara. We have to remove that. That individuality has to go. That is what he's telling. Yavat Atmani Swarupa Dhihi Asti. Sarupa means form. Dhihi means the notion or the idea that I am this form, I am the father. Which Guru will tell about this? Tell me. They talk about any engineer, software that there, the engineering course, hardware course, software course. This is the course we have to learn first. Sarupa means form, Dhi means notion idea, Tavat has to be supplied. Tavat, now come to first line. Sarupa Buddhihi Jagati Ishwarecha. Beautiful. So long you have the form, that long Jagat will also have a form, Ishvara will also have a form. See there, Sarupa Buddhihi Jagati Saptami. Ishvare in Ishvara, Ishwarecha. The Dihi is Vishaya Saptami. And that Ishvaraha, that Jagat is different from me because the forms are many. Division. When forms are many, divisions are many, pleasure and pain is part of life. You cannot manage. You cannot manage. So long I retain Saguna Ishvara and Saguna Jagat, by retaining Saguna Ahankara, that long Sukham Dukkham continues. Come to third line. Atma Arupaha. Atma Arupaha. Where it is there? Third line first. Atma Arupa means I am the formless consciousness. Arupaha, he wrote. Nirgunam. This is the transformation Ramana Maharshi is expecting. So long I am with form Sagunaha, that long Jagat Satyatvam, Ishvara Satyatvam reality I am giving. When I change, when the I becomes capital I, the self, I am Arupa Chaitanya or Arupa Atma. This transformation he expects. What is this transformation? Swami Paramarthananda very nicely says, what is transformation? If somebody asks to him, he says, in transformation itself, there is an answer, he says. What is that? Transcend the form. That is transformation. Greatness of Swamiji. Transcend the form is transformation. So once I transcend the form, the transformation as aham arupa nirguna chaitanyam aham asmi is possible. Iti has to be supplied. Iti kaschita prapashyet. Kaha is there. Kaha should be in brackets. You have to add a letter. Kaschita prapashyet. Prapashyet means prakashena pashyati. Recognize. Recognize what? If the person can recognize this means what? I as formless consciousness, he should not just verbalize it. He should mean every word or every letter of I am the Nirguna consciousness. He should mean. He cannot just verbalize. It should be a fact for him. Verbalize. Then what happens? Anavadihi Purnat. Anavadihi Purnat. Savadihi means with form. Savadihi means Jiva Jagat Ishvaraha Vedaha. With form, see, you are counting 1, 2, 3. Whenever you count, it is excluding each other. So it is limited. Avadihi or Anavadihi means limitless. Sa Drushtihi Anavadihi Purnaha. He sees. Who sees? A Jnani who does Ahankara Vichara and comes to Arupa Atma as Ahamasmi. Sa Drushtihi. He sees means in Jnana Nishta. He sees that Purnatvam, complete. If you see here, Ramana Maharshi is only talking about the end of Ahankara Vichara, the culmination of Ahankara Vichara. Yesterday or day before I told, but he is not talking about the process here. He's giving importance to the Vichara, but how to do Vichara? He's not telling that. If you see in the shloka, very explicitly we can know. He comes to the end. This is how one comes to an end. But how to come to an end? Go there. We have an answer. Traditional Guru Shastra Sampradaya. Guru Shastra Upadesha only will help. Without the Upanishadic background or Vedantic background, what you are having now, this will be very difficult. Now for you, it is easy because we are having some knowledge. That is why it is easy. Sadrishtihi Anavadirhi Purna. He becomes content. The Purnatvam. Fulfilled. Life is fulfilled for him. Aho Sukam, Aho Sukam. That is the end of this shloka. Om Sham Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amritam Gamaya Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.